Hi there. So we're looking at ways to renovate a property. So in the last video we talked about doing it yourself. In this one is probably the way that I do it most of all. I self-manage the property. I will get the people in part, so I'll find a gas guy to do the gas. I'll find a plumber to do the plumbing, and yeah, there is a difference. I'll find an electrician, if I don't do it myself, to do the electrics. I'll find a painter to do the painting, plasterer to do the plastering. So I'll recruit all the people individually and I'll say, that needs doing today. We should do this plumbing before we do that plastering, and oh, it's time for the first fix, it's time for the second fix. So by recruiting everybody individually, I'm not employing someone to manage the project for me, so I'm not having to pay them to do that. And it's a good sort of redundancy and contingency is to do that. If I'm employed 10 trades individually and one of them is a problem, I can easily switch him out with another one. If I've got one builder and he's a problem, then I've got a big problem because I can't easily switch him out. So for the smaller renovations, I tend to do it that I'll manage it and I'll get the trades in individually and I'll project manage and decide what gets done when. But on bigger projects, I don't do that. So it's not one size fits all. The place to find workmen is, recommendation is obviously the best. I've said it before, any workman that's available to work is no good, you don't want them, and then any you do want aren't available, you do want them, so you got to find somewhere around that sort of catch-22. There are sites like My Builder and Check a Trade. I've sourced people on them, had good and bad results from it. And then there's looking at trade organisations, Federation of Master Builder. That's a good site to look on because you can see how long they've been a member, because if they weren't any good, they get kicked out. But you do pay a premium for people that are in that association. It's tricky. Finding people, good people, is the hardest part. But as I say, if you split the job up, if the tiler lets you down, you can find another tiler, and plumber lets you down, you can drop another plumber in without totally upsetting the job because the other guys are all still working. But yeah, it keeps costs down to self-manage. It is very hands-on, so it's more for the full-timers. It's not for those trying to do a job as well. Well, I hope that was useful. See you on the next one. Bye-bye. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thanks. See you on the next one.